and welcome, Recording Earthlings. So today our little K12 breakdown is going to be focused on different ways to find class content because really there's quite a few. So first thing first, we pick a class. The first way that you can find your course material is under this little class plan tab. It'll tell you what you have to do for today. This is actually the fastest way to get to your content because from the home page, if you click on this, it'll go straight to your content. So from the home page, it takes about 3 clicks before you're staring at your actual course content. However, this only works if you are actually caught up, and I am not. So what I'd use is I go to the content tab at the top and then scroll down to find what I actually have to do. So we're working on Unit 4, and if you look at this, you'll see that all these check marks, it looks like I'm gonna have to work on this next. And I probably stopped in the middle of it to make this video. But you ask, how do you find out what you're supposed to do if it isn't today on the class plan? How do I know how many of the lessons are required from before today if I'm not caught up? Good questions. Thank you. Okay, course schedule. This one has 2 tabs. It has upcoming and it has the full schedule. Upcoming basically is the same thing as the class plan. It just tells you what you have to do today and what's upcoming. But the full schedule will give you the schedule back to the beginning of the very semester, which is quite useful for making a to-do list for catching up, but it's sort of a pain to get through. So isn't there a simpler way? Because I mean, there's a lot. There's just so much of it. Once it actually loads, because it'll take a while because it's so big, there's a lot to go through. Yeah, it finally loaded. Isn't there a simpler way to figure out what happened before today? And the answer to that is yes. Plan at the top, right here. This will give you a calendar which will tell you the lessons per week. You can go back as far as you need until you find where you're caught up to. It'll just tell you what you're supposed to do every day. And then if you actually want to get to your content, you can just click on it and click on more, and that'll take you straight to what you need to work on. So then you can, go in and do your actual work. Well, that's all. Thanks for watching.